This video is for educational and information purposes only. Mutual funds and stocks talked about in this video are purely used as examples. This video is not meant for advisory or recommendation purpose.
Hello everyone, welcome back to another video tutorial. In this tutorial, we will be learning how to withdraw funds from your aliceblue trading account. So without any delay, let's get started. Log into the aliceblue trading platform. Click on funds located on the top right hand side of the page. You will see two options: add funds and withdraw. Click on withdraw, then select the segment and specify the amount you wish to withdraw. Choose the bank account where you want the amount to be credited and mention the reason for the payout. Then click on withdraw and your request will be processed. Here are few important points to be noted. Payout requests made before 7 AM will be processed on the same working day, while requests after 7 AM will be processed the next working day. On non-working days like Saturdays, Sundays, government holidays and exchange settlement holidays, payout request will not be processed. Ensure that the margin for the payout request does not exceed the available amount. For CNC cell credits, payouts can be taken after the completion of T+1. And there you have it. We hope you have learned how to withdraw funds from aliceblue trading platform. If you have any doubts, let us know in the comments below or feel free to reach out to our support team. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a like, share and subscribe to our channel.
Investments in security markets are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.